Hello everyone, my name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to these trading videos on YouTube. Visit DayTradeToWin videos page on the blog. It has a lot of useful information. You can get notified before everyone else if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Can't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Please talk to your broker and understand there are risks involved with trading. We offer a simulator for everyone to try, and you can see if trading is right for you and learn a little bit before taking the plunge into day trading. Now I have a 2-range chart. This is going to be a 3-minute video on the TradeScalper, a signal that has just taken place, and I recorded it. I took the trade. I wanted to show everyone how the trade turned out, especially for those of you who are on the fence on getting the TradeScalper. First, you see on this 2-range chart the two short signals, 32.56.75 and 32.54.25. Everybody who has the TradeScalper software gets the same exact signals, and therefore you can see the signals there for yourself that are plotted on the chart along with an audible alert. So you have here a signal to go long at 32.50.50.
Order submitted.
Place the trade on the dome
Order
or
filled.
on the chart trader, whichever one you feel more comfortable with. And I'm expanding here the chart so you can see here a little bit on the results of what the market is doing. Now I only have a 4 tick, which is a $1.50 per contract goal. So if you trade with one contract, just one contract, it's $50. You make $50. If you trade with 2 contracts, you will make $100. If you trade with 5 contracts, is what I'm doing here, you would make $250. So the idea is really to trade for these small increments when scalping and increase the amount of contracts as you get more comfortable and as you feel more confident with trading and the trading methods. And remember, we don't hold on for trades for hours on end. It's fast. It's in and out and finished.
Target filled.
So there's the target, 1 point. Now there's a reason here before, I get a ton of email asking me, why a 2-range chart? Well, the market's slowing down. The market is actually beginning to get back to normal because the ATR, the average true range, is what I use to determine whether or not the market is too fast, too volatile, or too slow. So we're getting into an area where the market's getting back to normal, and that's why a 2-range chart works very well. Now, scrolling back in history, this is earlier today. 32.58.75 short, 32.60 short, 32.57.50 long. 2 more short trades here, another long trade here at 11:30. All these trades look great. And then you have here the fabulous Atlas line here, also giving me a long signal. If you want to learn more about trading, visit DayTradeToWin.com. Subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel, the next mentorship class where we cover all of these methods with lifetime licenses for the software.